How to fix Spotify app crashing on your Android or iPhone. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. Before we head to the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button as it helps the channel grow. Now let's head to the video. So the first thing you have to do, there are multiple steps to make sure it doesn't crash. The first thing you have to do is you have to go to the settings option and you have to click on apps, and then you have to click on see all apps. It's valid for both iPhone and Android. You have to open Spotify, and then you'll find an option of storage and cache. You have to clear cache and you have to clear storage. Once you do all this, once you clear your cache and clear your storage, your first thing you'll do is reset your Spotify. Then the second step that you have to follow is you have to go back. Once you go back, you have to go on Play Store. Once you open Play Store, you have to search for Spotify. Once you search for Spotify, make sure here there is no current update, and if there is an update, you have to update your phone. Then you have to go back and check on Spotify, is it still crashing, and if it's crashing after the update too, you have to come back on Play Store and search again Spotify, and you have to click on Spotify and click on uninstall. You have to uninstall the app and then you have to reinstall it. Most probably once you reinstall the app, after clearing the cache, after clearing the storage, after getting the latest update, once you reinstall it, most probably your Spotify app on your iPhone or Android will not crash. So if this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.